So welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the formation and the breakdown of glycogen. So we make glycogen from excess glucose, okay? So when you're in a high energy state environment and your body has a lot of glucose, you need to store that excess glucose, okay? We make something called glycogen. So glycogen synthase forms an alpha-1,4 bond stimulated by insulin. And it sort of forms it like from here, alpha 1 to here, and so on and so on. But every now and then you have glycogen branching enzyme, which makes your branches 1,6. Okay, and this is gonna matter very soon later. So when we're going to the breakdown of glycogen, there's some key enzymes. Okay, like we talked about before, right? Glycogen synthase, forms alpha-1,4 bonds, while glycogen phosphorylase breaks those alpha-1,4 bonds. Okay. So again, when you need the glucose that you just lost, right, you're going to then break the alpha-1,4 bonds that you just made from glycogen synthase to then get glucose. Debranching enzyme handles branches, and what I mean by that is, remember here, we make alpha-1,6 branches. So when your alpha-1,6 branches get long enough, I think it's about 3 to 4 polymers, your glycogen debranching enzyme will actually move it. It's going to move it down. So yeah, again, handles branches, and the branches are going to be made by glycogen, your branching enzyme. So a quick overview for the MCAT that you need to know. This is a very important disease that I have seen on full length. It's called glycogen storage disease. So abnormal glycogen metabolism, and here are hint what causes it. Okay, definitely commit those to memory. And again, I added this here overview for the MCAT for a reason, right? So it'll definitely be on your test. This is a very simple breakdown of the formation and breakdown of glycogen. Kaplan didn't really go into too much detail about it, but I do feel like on full length I've seen more detail. So I would say, if this didn't fully make sense, like if you still have questions, you can leave them in the comments, no matter what year it is, right? If you're watching this 10 years from now, leave it in the comments. But also, I would recommend Khan Academy, okay? Awesome. So hopefully this was helpful. Again, very easy breakdown, right? We make glycogen from glucose. Glycogen synthase forms alpha-1,4 bonds, and we get glycogen synthase from insulin. And glycogen debranching enzyme makes those branches. I think it's every 6 or 7 residues. Glycogen debranching enzyme makes glycogen go up. And why do we have debranching enzyme? Great question, guys. So the reason why we have that is glycogen is actually a lot better when it takes up more space. So glycogen is a very big polymer. So these debranching enzymes have it so we can then more and more space. As we break the alpha-1,4 bonds, your debranching enzyme can now move those alpha-1,6 bonds and then make more alpha-1,4 bonds, if that makes sense. Okay? Awesome, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. And next, we have gluconeogenesis.